And welcome to this CompSkill how-to video. Today I want to show you how you can make a really simple heat map for data visualization using Excel's conditional formatting. So what I've got here is 6 columns of numbers, and they're randomly assigned from 0 through to 20. So what I'm going to do first of all is just apply a heat map to the complete range. So I select my range and I go to to conditional formatting, click on the drop down arrow and go down to color scales, and I select, as you can see, where you select a data scale it applies different formatting colors to the range depending on whether high, low or whatever. What I want to do is make it more like a traditional heat map, so I'm going to go down to more rules and I'm going to say that the highest value, maybe we can, we've got minimum maximum. So the lowest value, we'll just change the colour. The lowest value is a very pale yellow and the highest value is a bright orange. And you can see how they go through there. I can change my colours depending on, I can make that yellow like that, but I just want a wee bit more lemony. Let's just go to the more colours and select a slightly more lemony colour, and that will do me. And I think I'll do the same with my highest colour. I'll go to the colour wheel and I'll make a slightly deeper orange. Is that working? To go up a wee bit. That'll do. Didn't change a lot, but it'll do. Okay. So then I go OK, and that applies that colour range to my heat map. Let's it's not as dramatic as I wanted, but yes, you get the idea, don't you? But now what I want to do is get rid of the numbers. I mean, if you delete the numbers, the heat map's going to break, because the colour variants are reliant on the changes in numbers. So what we want to do is get rid of them, or hide them. That's really what I'm trying to say. So I select that range. Oops, I'm having mouse trouble today. Must be one of those things. Okay, let's just go out of here, give my mouse a break. That's it. Now see how our mouse is. Okay, that's looking better. Sometimes these things need a break. If we go up to the formatting area here, number, we're on the home tab, we go into general, we change it, there we go, and we go right down to more number formats, because we want a custom format, so we select the custom format, and what we want to do here is just change, we'll put a 0 in there to start with, but we're going to change this to be quote space quote, and that will hopefully hide the numbers. Look at that. So the numbers are still there. I could put a number in this cell and it should change colour, and all the others change, the heat map is still active. So I think that's a really easy way of doing what is often sold to you as a complicated visualization, but you can do it yourself. You can change the colours to suit you, you can do whatever you want, you can do it row by row for different effects, or the whole lot. So that's it for this CompSkill how-to video, but I look forward to seeing you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.